Hello friends, today I am going to teach you type 3 about how to pronounce correctly ed. You know my friend, yesterday I uploaded one video. In that video I have taught you type 1, type 2 and I gave you brief information about entire type 1, type 2, type 3. But one of the important topic remained type 3, in which I am going to give you detailed information concerned with how to pronounce ed correctly. See my friend, if the sound ending with b, b, v, v, g, g, j, j, l, l, n, n, r, r, th, d, v, v, z, z. If the sound ending with this kind of letter, and if you want to make past tense and past participle, do write suffix d or ed. After writing d or ed, how to pronounce it correctly? If such sound will be there, after writing suffix ed, pronounce it d, d. Look here, pronounce d after writing ed. If last word is sounding b, describe, after writing suffix ed, you will get meaning described. Described, वर्णन केले, त्याने निसर्गाचे वर्णन केले. You want to speak in English. He described nature. He described, work out pronunciation d आएगा. He described nature. Take another word, comb. Comb means कंघी करने. I comb my hair. See my friend, comb, I said comb. I didn't pronounce b because in this word b is silent. Already I uploaded video where sometimes there may be b silent, c silent, d silent, k silent, f silent. I have written one book how to pronounce it correctly. In that book entire thing has been given. Here b is silent, comb. We have to pronounce comb. I comb my hair. See, after writing suffix ed, how will you pronounce it? You have to pronounce combed. Combed. त्याने केस विंचरले. He combed hair. Now take another word, sob. Sob means हुनके देत रडणे. Do write sobbed. Sobbed. ed. You will get pronunciation d, sobbed. Sobbed. She sobbed. Sobbed. रडली. After hearing news of death. Rub. Rub means चोळणे, घासणे. Rub. After writing ed, you will get pronunciation rubbed. त्याने त्याच्या शरीरावर बर्फ घासला. He rubbed ice on his body. Rubbed. बगावचर ड. He rubbed ice on his body. So my friend, I taught here, if the sound end with b, you write suffix ed, you will get pronunciation d. I taught you. Now take another word, z, jh. If the sound ending with jh, after writing suffix ed, you have to pronounce d, d. See the word. See here, surprise. Surprise. आश्चर्यचकित होणे. Do write d suffix. Then you pronounce it. You will get pronunciation surprised. Surprised. मला आश्चर्य झालं की त्याचा पहिला नंबर आला. I surprised. I surprised. After hearing he is a topper of the college. Then take another word, please. प्लीज म्हणजे खुश होणे. खुश होणे. प्लीज, झ, प्लीज. डू राइट डी सफिक्स टू द प्लीज वर्ड, past tense, or you can make past participle. You will pronounce it pleased. त्याने मला खुश केले. He pleased me. त्याने मला खुश केले. He pleased me. Then take another word, ॲब्यूज गाली गलोच करना, शिवी गाळी करणे. डू राईट. सी माय फ्रेंड, इफ द साऊंड एंडिंग विथ झेड, झ, डू राईट सफिक्स डी, यू विल गेट प्रोनाउन्सिएशन ॲब्युज्ड. तिने त्याला शिवी दिली कारण त्याने तिच्यासोबत गैरवर्तन केले. यू वॉन्ट टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. शिवी दिली, ॲक्शन इज ओवर्ड, इट इज बिलॉंग्स टू सिम्पल पास्ट टेन्स. सी ॲब्युज्ड हिम बिकॉज ही मिसबिहेव्ड विथ हर. इनक्रीज, झ, एंडिंग साऊंड झ, डू राईट सफिक्स डी, यू विल गेट प्रोनाउन्सिएशन increased. See the word raise, वर उचलणे. यू कॅन से प्लीज रेज युअर हँड. भांडवल उभारणे. ही रेज्ड मनी फॉर द बिझनेस. रेज्ड, त्याने उद्योगाकरता पैसा उभा केला. ही रेज्ड मनी फॉर द बिझनेस. कॉज, ला कारणीभूत होणे. झ, do write suffix d, you will get pronunciation caused. तो त्याच्या दुःखाला कारणीभूत झाला. he caused to his distress, he caused to his unhappiness. then take another word, use, उपयोगात आणणे, उपयोग करणे. used, त्याने माझ्या पुस्तकाचा योग्य उपयोग केला. ही यूज्ड माय बुक प्रॉपरली अँड लर्न इंग्लिश. टीच, चिडवणे. टीज्ड, झ का उच्चार ड, टीज्ड, त्याने मला चिडवले, मला वाईट वाटले. ही टीज्ड मी, सो आय फेल्ट बॅड. देन स्नीज, शिंकणे, शिंका येणे. sneezed, due to coronavirus pandemic, sneezing is prohibited. pause, बोलताना थांबणे, मध्ये मध्ये पॉज घेणे, गॅप घेणे. paused. after writing d or ed suffix you have to pronounce it paused. he paused while speaking, he didn't speak directly, he understands where is comma, where is full stop, so he paused. If the sound ending with r, after writing suffix d or ed you have to pronounce d, d. Discover, अस्तित्वात असलेल्या पण माहीत नसलेल्या गोष्टीचा शोध घेणे. इफ यू राईट सफिक्स ed, discover, you have to pronounce discovered. Here r is silent. discovered. अलेक्झांडरने नवीन खंडाचा शोध घेतला. अलेक्झांडर डिस्कवर्ड न्यू कंटेंट. डिस्कवर्ड, शोध घेतला. देन एंटर, प्रवेश करणे. डू राईट सफिक्स ed. इफ द साऊंड एंडिंग विथ अ, do write suffix ed, you will get pronunciation entered. त्याने घरात प्रवेश केला. त्याने अचानक घरात प्रवेश केला. he entered home suddenly. then another word, measure, sound is ending with r or a. do write suffix d, you will get pronunciation measured. माप घेणे, घराचे माप घेणे, मोजमाप करणे. he measured distance, how many distance is it, he measured it. लिंग, रेंगाळणे, पुढे पुढे ढकलणे. आफ्टर रायटिंग सफिक्स ed you will pronounce it lingered. त्याने कामाला पुढे पुढे ढकलले, टाइमपास केला. he lingered work, डी टाइमपास. ओके. देन देयर इज अ वर्ड आन्सर, उत्तर देणे. डू राईट सफिक्स ed, यू हॅव टू प्रोनाउन्स इट answered, answered. Here W is silent. Answered. त्याने माझ्या प्रश्नाचे प्रामाणिकपणे उत्तर दिले. He answered my question honestly. Poor, poor, ओतने. Here I is silent. Do write suffix ed. You will get pronunciation port. नौकराने गाडीत पेट्रोल टाकले. सर्वंट poured petrol in bike. Poured. Fear, fear, घाबरणे. Do write suffix ed. You will get meaning feared. घाबरला. तो भूताला घाबरला. He feared to ghost. Then there is a word remember. आठवणे. Remember. Here अळ come. Do write suffix ed. You will get meaning remembered. आठवला. त्याला ती घटना आठवली. He remembered that incident. Then conquer, conquer, जिंकणे, विजय प्राप्त करणे. Conquered. चंद्रगुप्त मौर्याने धनानंदवर विजय प्राप्त केला. चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य conquered on धनानंद. Conquered. My friend, after all, I would like to say you one thing. As we belongs to Marathi, we have mother tongue impact. मातृभाषेचा प्रभाव. So that we don't understand how to pronounce any word correctly. As we write D or ed, while mumbling that word, we mispronounce it. We do not pronounce it so correctly. So my friend, as I am displaying this video before you, I hope so after studying it, you will definitely understand how to pronounce correctly. You don't commit mistake. It is my tiny contribution to my nation, as I am uploading so many video on YouTube channel. My motto behind it, my friend, my fellow, my Indian people, Maharashtrian people should learn perfect English, and they should get free knowledge of English, so that I am going to try my level best for you. If you liked it, please subscribe my channel and spread this video among your friend circle, so that they will get good profit from my video. If you want to study it properly, take a screenshot of this entire board